Welcome to the Photoshop tutorial day number 3. Today's subject is same cropping tool but some more advanced. These are some more advanced cropping tools: object selection, quick selection and magic wand. So first of all, object selection. So object selection tool, that will be like you don't need to look for any other big tools. You just need a single click, that will be like selected. Same thing, Ctrl J, you will get a copy, you can move it to anywhere. The second tool of the advanced cropping will be the quick selection tool. The usage of quick selection is, if the object selection tool didn't work, you can go for the quick selection tool. Quick selection is like a same adjustment that you can do what the object selection didn't. If the object selection tool made something wrong, you can easily use the quick selection tool to manage it. There is a plus and the minus sign over here. The minus sign says you can release that selection while dragging it, and the plus sign says you can add some more selection. Inside this there is one more tool, is the magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is some more advanced but not like this image. Inside this, the last tool will be the magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is actually using to select the similar color. So for example, we have the white color on the background. If you click on the same white color, everything will be selected. If that's a white color only, you can easily delete it or you can make a copy of it. So the end of day 3. See you on day 4. Follow us for more.